So if you watch my session till the end, you will definitely change. So let me tell you what I'm going to teach you here on this channel. And at this time you are watching English spoken with Blesser. So if you don't know what is the name of my channel, so don't worry, I will tell you what is the name of my channel. My channel name is English spoken with Blesser. So and why I have started my YouTube channel, and why uh, I am going to tell you everything in English. So there is no any particular reason. The only reason I have, so I wanted to change myself because I don't want to compromise with my problem. So that's why if you wanted to change yourself, so I would like to suggest you don't compromise with your problem, because there are multiple problems in this world. There is no anyone in this world who hasn't a problem. Every person has a problem. And what's my problem? So now let me tell you. I wanted to upload video on the YouTube channel, and I want to share my knowledge with you. So in this activity, there is no one who can support me, and I always want support that any person come to me and help me. So there is no one in this world one who can help you. I think you are one, you are unique person, because God created you. He is the omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient. He can understand you very well, and he is our problem shooter, and he is our maker. He can help you. And so when we want to speak English, so today I would like to talk on different types of topics. But don't worry, because today I have decided that I will speak in English, whether it's right and wrong, and whether people like me or hate me. So that's why. So don't mind. So this type of things happens in everybody's life. And why we are not changing myself? So I think before changing myself, we are thinking what will become with me when I will change myself. So don't think like this. We are back. Why we are all back? And why we are not speaking English? Because we are thinking, if I will speak English, people will judge me. Your English is not very well. So I think people will judge me. It is the work of the people. And what is your work? Your work is to speak English, whether it is right or wrong. Unless you speak English, you can't improve. Although you have seen many videos, although you have seen many content of English, and although you have seen many things on YouTube, on social media, but I think only we are seeing and only we are watching. After watching those things, when we are not working like it, you can't improve. So I think if you want to speak English, and if you want to speak confident level English, and if you want to become fluent in English, so there is no any problem. When you speak Hindi, when you speak your native language, why you can't speak English? English is not rocket science. You can speak English very easily, but first give the command of your mind. First think. First you should think that I can do this. I am best. So I'm the one who can do it, and there is no one in this world who can do my work. So I think we are facing problem because we are not knowing the solution. So first know the solution of the problem. If you know the solution of the problem will not hurt you. So my lovely viewers and my lovely friends, I don't know what your name is, but I am telling you why I am here and why I am speaking in English. So why I am, although I can speak Hindi very well, and I am excellent in my native language. So don't worry. And apart from this, I have practiced multiple languages. So I don't want to show that I am very talented. No, I am not very talented, but I am trying to learn. No one is there. Today I am alone and I am talking to you. So why I am talking to you? Because I think you are afraid of many things and you are facing challenges. I also facing challenges. It's not like that I am any other man. I am also a human being, and I am also work like you. But why I am not thinking other people, and why I am not caring about other people? So please care yourself, whether you speak right and wrong, whether uh, you speak slowly or fastly doesn't matter, but you will have to speak in English. That is the question. When you will speak English, English will automatically come in your mind. I know it is the process. When you start speaking English, at the time you will make multiple mistake. So I have a answer. Who will not mistake in this world? Who is perfect in this world? Who is most powerful in this world? I think so. Only we are judging. There is no one great before born. There is no one successful before born. So everybody gets success. Everybody becomes success after taking birth and after taking right action and after taking decision. So it is your time, and this is the time to take decision. Take a great decision. Make your mind that I will do it. I can do it. Everything is possible in this world. So I think in this one video I can't share my many things. So I hope that you are getting my all points, and I hope that if you follow my advice, you will definitely change yourself. So I think it's your love and it's your kindness that I am here. So I think if you support me and if you wanted to learn many things, so I am with you. So if you wanted to boost your conversation in a very simple way, so I am with you. So I would like to mention my contact number so that you can easily find out my contact number, and with the help of those contact number you can talk to me, and I am with you. So I know what I have done for learning this language, and what is my secret police story. So many things I would like to talk you. So I thank you because you have watched my all video and you got my all points. So don't worry. And at the end of my session, I would like to tell you that every person is unique and every person has different talent, and don't judge the people because people has unique talent, because it is the gifted talent by God. So thank you, and love you. God bless you.